Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Bosnia, and I'm at the Church of Bonaventure, and you can see the church behind me and the statue as well, and it's pretty amazing. The church it's closed, but the guy said he would help let us in. He went to get a key, so we're all going to go inside and take a look. Let's go do it. And so here's what it looks like. So it's pretty amazing. It's that tower over there on the left that is incredible. So I'm hoping to be able to climb that thing. Wouldn't that be amazing? Although it's scary and crazy, but look at that thing. Yeah, scary and crazy. All right, well, let me put this away, and he'll come back in a second, and we'll go do some climbing. Bye. All right, everybody, so this is Banja Luka, which I couldn't remember 5 seconds ago, but this is the Church of Bonaventure. It's pretty amazing, but I think it's not in use anymore. But I ran into a priest, and he went to go get a key, and he's gonna let me in. And so I'm hoping, he asked if I was afraid of heights to do this tower, and I told him I'm not afraid, and so maybe I'll actually get to climb that thing. And it's pretty horrendous. It's you know, I don't know, let me get a little closer and you'll see what we're dealing with here. Yeah, holy crap, huh? So think about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20 flights. Yikes. But I'd do it in a minute. I hope. we will see. Pretty crazy. All right, bye. And here he comes. And he's from Croatia. His family's from Croatia. He was born in Kansas, but we'll do it. Okay, so he let me in. Wow. Wow, it's a unique church for sure. The outsides are incredible. Yeah, and look at the stained glass and stuff too. That's pretty amazing. It's a Catholic church. Oh, and there's my favorite picture. Do you guys remember all my pictures of Christ and the rainbow coming from his fingers? Yeah, it's pretty amazing. Huh. Wow. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Very cool. Do you guys remember that picture? Very cool. Okay. I'll be right back. I'm going to go talk to him. Okay, and so this is this person here. And so that's that guy there. And the Pope came to this church a long time ago and sat in this chair right here, which is amazing, in Banja Luka in 2003. So it's pretty amazing. And then here's the casket and part of his relics, which is pretty amazing all of in itself too. Wow. Very cool. Okay, everybody. Okay, so he's going to explain this stuff to us, and go ahead.
Yes, so there were a number of priests from Banja Luka that were killed during the Second World War by the communist partisans, and in the war during the 90s in Bosnia by the Serbian Chetniks. And here in the chapel with Blessed Ivan Mirc, there's remembrance to them. The diocese hopes to start the process for beatification, both of the priests that were killed in the Second World War, and especially the priests that were killed during the most recent war in
The
Bosnia.
Serbian.
Yeah, during the Serbian conflict with the Serbians. And some of one of the priests from Nova Topola was Father Gurbic. Father Ratko Gurbic, his remains were never found, and is something that from 1992 that the people that are hoping to have him proclaimed blessed for the suffering that he endured.
Wow. So did World War II have much impact on Banja Luka?
Yes, for all of the region of Croatia and Bosnia were greatly affected by especially the conflicts, which was very difficult to explain, but the factions ended up between the Croatian Catholics, the Serbian Orthodox, and the communist atheists that were essentially fighting for or promoting the communist false ideals that were spread in the region, which normally ended up being the destruction of the Catholic faith was their primary goal.
Wow.
Yeah.
And what was their religion? If it wasn't Catholic?
The communists would just say that they're atheists.
Oh, they're okay.
Or, yeah, they don't practice
Right.
which is a religion of its own.
Atheism.
So atheism would just be considered a religion of its own in reality. That we all believe in some God, it's just what God is that.
Right. Wow, amazing. Thank you for sharing. That's wonderful.